Thank you for staying with us. Let's now cross over to the courts. 4 senior ranking police officers charged with the killing of 6-month-old baby Samantha Pendo in Kisumu County in 2017 will know their bail terms fit next week on 16th June. This is after parties in the case, as well as the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, gave their lengthy submissions proposing and opposing their release. The 4 officers who were charged last month are facing crimes against humanity ranging from murder, torture, and rape based on their command responsibilities on their subordinates.
Hold fast.
Jengo Masha, officer commanding station at Kaptakani, and chief inspectors Lina Kogei, Cyprian Robbie, and James Rono sat patiently on Tuesday as arguments on their release were presented. The councils representing the family and victims strongly opposed the release of the 4 police bosses, urging the court to impose more restrictions in their chain of command cuts across the countries as commanders of their units.
Again, it makes reference to likelihood of interference with witnesses, that is E, and F, need to protect the victims from the accused persons.
In a rejoinder, defense counsels argue that the restrictions already in place are harsh and the court should exercise leniency.
The accused person could, under any circumstances, be found guilty under the command responsibility. Then that will only happen once the Court of Appeal will have rendered itself in the pending appeal.
Justice Margaret Muigai was told the noble nature of the criminal law is the first of its kind in the country, since the accused are facing command responsibilities as opposed to primary responsibility.
I have made reference to the material paragraph of the report referring to those instances, suggesting that the accused was the 3rd accused person who was not present at the time the offenses are alleged.
Mohammed Ba, a retired police officer who was to be charged with the 4, remains at large with efforts to locate him at his rural home in Wajir County, bearing no fruits. Separately, on the Kenjakoma brothers murder trial, Lady Justice Margaret Muigai was on Tuesday shown medical records to confirm the 6th accused person remain hospitalized at Thika Level 4 Hospital.
In the event there is room for this matter to be able to proceed, depending on his condition, because that is also what we are not told, there needs to be a balance to see whether something at least can happen in terms of moving this trial forward.
The case will be mentioned on 2nd July, even as the judge ruled the warrant of arrest will remain fully in force.
The 6th accused person is said to be in hospital. We mentioned the matter in 2 weeks, as per the copy of the letter in the file.
In the case, 2 brothers, Benson and Emmanuel Ndwiga, died in 2021 after being arrested for violating curfew rules. 6 officers are under trial. Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.